Tonight, we're travelling to a moonlit beach to help Eric, the Tock turtle. Our hot air balloon is ready, so let's go. We cross our legs and we come to sit on our bottoms. We cup our hands around our mouth, take a big breath in and slowly blow. Wow! Yes! And off we float into the night sky. We gently rock from side to side as we say our little mindfulness rhyme. Tick, tock, like a clock, until I find my centre. Our hot air balloon lands softly on the sand. And here's Eric, the Tock turtle. Let's do our turtle pose. Sitting with our legs out wide, we bend our knees a little as we snuggle our arms underneath our legs, coming into our turtle pose. Everyone calls Eric the Tock turtle because he's in charge of the ocean bedtime clock. But poor Eric, he looks a bit tired. Oh, hello. Thank you for coming. The ocean bedtime clock has stopped ticking and I can't find the key to wind it back up. Oh dear. Well, shall we help him find it? Come on then. Let's sit up tall. We could ask the mermaids. Maybe they know where the key is. Let's do our mermaid pose. Swishing our legs round one way, we bring our hand on our knee, our other hand behind us. We look over our shoulder and back to the front as the mermaids do a big sleepy yawn, going, ooh la la. Oh dear, we need to find this key fast. Let's do our mermaid pose on the other side, swishing our legs round the other way, bringing our other hand on our knee, our hand behind us, looking over our shoulder and back to the front as the sleepy mermaids wish us luck. Bonne chance! Oh, there, we spot a beautiful spiral shell on the sand. Eric remembers. The shells whisper secrets from the sea. Well, shall we hear what secret this one holds? Sitting with our legs out long, we take hold of one of our feet and we hold it to our ear to listen to what the shell has to say. We stay very still and quiet. And the shell whispers, "The sleepy clam holds the key." Oh, wow, lowering our foot. Well, the clams live in the seaweed garden, so let's go there. Coming to lie on our backs, we lift our legs and our arms, and we gently sway like seaweed, all slow and calm. There are the clams. But which clam is the sleepy clam? Let's roll over and come up to sit and do our clam pose, joining the soles of our feet together, making a big diamond shape with our legs. We hold our ankles and we fold forwards, nose to toes, in our clam pose. And we listen to find out which one is asleep. Well, I would think it's the one that's snoring, don't you? Let's quietly whisper, "Wakey, wakey." And the sleepy clam slowly begins to lift and open. And inside is the key to the bedtime clock. Eric the Tock turtle carefully takes it out as the clam folds forward again to go back to sleep. Coming all the way back up, we lie on our backs with our arms out wide and take our legs all the way up to put the key in the back of the bedtime clock. We twist it one way and we twist it the other way until the bedtime clock begins to tick again, swaying gently from side to side like a pendulum, going tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. The ocean can finally rest, and so can Eric, the tick-tock turtle. The ocean bedtime clock is ticking softly again, and now everyone knows when it's time to go to bed. We hug our knees into our chest and give them a gentle squeeze. Then we stretch our legs out long, our arms down by our side. And together we whisper, our story is finished. Our journey is done. Our bodies are quiet. Good night, everyone.